Hi, this is a antique Dayton Model 500 ceiling fan, and I was just testing it. Here's the switch. The switch mounts directly onto the speed coil, which is kind of interesting. It makes a nice compact arrangement. And it has interesting blade irons. You can see they're two-part, and there's two different positions to pivot them into. Like the summer downward blowing position and the upward winter position. But anyway, it's got an interesting, the other side's quite interesting. I'm going to flip it over. You can see it has a nice look. Interesting little casting. But anyway, it was, this is the first time I powered it up. I had to put some oil in the bearing, but let's see, it needs new wiring, but here it goes. So it just fires right on up. And I'm going to turn it off. Definitely needs a bearing service. It's kind of gunked up pretty good, but it has a amazingly long spin down, considering that the bearing really isn't clean. But it seems like a good one. Just keeps on spinning for, I don't know, another minute or two. That's it, thanks.